fellow crocheters, it's Janet from CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to learn a really simple yet really modern crochet stitch, and it's just called the crossover half double crochet. So what you'll need to do is I have a J hook here and I have worsted weight yarn number 4. You don't use whatever hook size you want, and the yarn size should be equivalent to what it calls for with the hooks. So go ahead and grab that, and then we're going to need to chain 12 and half double crochet in the third chain from the hook and the cross, giving us 10 half double crochets. So go ahead, chain 12 and lay out 10 half double crochets and meet me right back. Okay, so you've got your 10 half double crochets. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2 because we're going to turn. All right, we're going to half double crochet into the first half double crochet. All right, now instead of half double crocheting into the next stitch, we're going to skip that stitch and we're going to half double crochet into the next stitch. So we've skipped one. We're going to half double crochet. Sorry, I didn't complete that stitch. That was probably the worst half double crochet on the planet. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what I was thinking there. Okay, all right, so we've skipped one. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to go back into that stitch that we skipped and half double crochet. Okay. We have a couple patterns with this stitch. One of them is our Cambridge baby patterns, our baby blanket pattern. So if you want to grab that pattern, you can go to our baby website, which is myhandmadebaby.com, and pick that up. Okay, so let's do this again. All right, we skip a stitch and we go into the next stitch. Now, what's important on this, just to give you a little hint and go back into the skip stitch, is pulling up a little bit. Make the stitch a little taller than maybe you normally would, so that it doesn't go wonky on you. Because what it's going to do is it's going to kind of form like a really cool arrow almost look. So that's what's really neat about it. Okay, so we've gone back into that stitch. I'm going to skip the next stitch. Head on over. Okay. Go back into the stitch that we skipped. Half double crochet. And all we're doing is half double crocheting. So we're going to skip the next stitch. Yep. Okay. Half double crochet. And then half double crochet in the last stitch. This is what stabilizes it. You don't want to be pulling on the last stitch. So this pattern is in rows or in a multiple stitch count of 2, and then plus 2 for the foundation chain. All right, let's turn. And I want to make sure we're clear on which stitches to skip, because you're really actually, I'm sorry to say, but in the written pattern you're actually skipping 2. So with your eye it's going to look like you're skipping 1, but you're really skipping 2 when you go into the next stitch. So let's go over this again. So we're going to half double crochet into the first stitch. Okay, to start we're going to skip 1 stitch. So we're skipping this stitch here, there's our stitch, and then the next stitch we're going to do a half double crochet. Okay. Sorry. When I slow down, I lose my thought here. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're going to go back and do our half double crochet into the skipped stitch. Okay, so now we're skipping this stitch and we're going into the next stitch. Whoops, I didn't skip it. That was lousy. Okay, so skipping this one, going into the next one. But see, in all actuality, we've skipped 2 because we were back here. We skipped the one that we first went into when we crossed over. We skipped this one, and now we're in the second one. So we're going to do a half double crochet into the stitch that we just skipped. All right. Let's do this again. Yarn over, skip a stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the stitch that you just skipped. Okay, now you've got to skip this stitch in this stitch. All right, and then you're going to half double crochet into the next stitch. So you're skipping 2 there. Back to the one you skipped, half double crochet. See, now we're starting to form it. And then we're going to do a half double crochet into the last stitch. And let's just do one more row of this. Now see, this would be the right side right here, so you can see it's starting to form the arrows, and I'm doing it real loose so you guys can see what's going on. You might want to just tighten up just a touch, but not too much, because you want to have a nice tall stitch to stretch over those 2 stitches. Okay, here we go. Half double crochet into the first stitch. That's right. And we did chain 2 on the turn, sorry. Okay, now we're skipping 1 stitch and we're going into the next stitch. So we're going to half double crochet there. There we go. All right, now we've got to go back and hit that skip stitch, half double crochet. Now we have to skip the next stitch and the next stitch. So the 3rd stitch from our hook, we're going to half double crochet into that. Now we're going to go back and half double crochet into the stitch that we skipped. It's really super easy, and once you get the hang of it, see, like, it's starting to form these arrows, and I just think it's a really pretty stitch, and it's really super simple. It's one of those that you could definitely watch TV on once you get the hang of it. Okay, so we're back in this stitch, so we're going to skip 2, go into the 3rd stitch from our hook, half double, go back into the one we skipped, half double. 1, 2, 3. Half double. Back it up to the skip stitch. Half double. Half double into the last stitch. Chain 2, and you're ready to turn. Okay, you just learned how to do the half double crossover stitch, and I highly suggest that if you want to alter the pattern, you consider that you should have 4 rows, rows of 2 in order to get the full effect of this arrow-like pattern that is developed with this stitch. Once again, this is the half double crossover stitch. I'm Janet from CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Happy crocheting!